Mastermind presents partial differential equation, formation of PDE by eliminating constants with example problems. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Partial differential equation involving in many wave equation problems and heat conductions problems. So now we are going to find what is a partial differential equation and solution and formation of partial differential equation. When partial differential equation frames, that is derivative frames, we considering a variable z, it is dependent on more than one independent variable where x and y are independent variable z is dependent on x and y, that's why z is called dependent variable. Then we can find what is the derivative of z partially with respect to x and y, that is dou z by dou x, it is denoted as a p, and dou z by dou y, it is denoted as q, and dou square z by dou x square, it is denoted as r, and dou square z by dou x dou y, that is denoted as s, and dou square z by dou y square is equal to t. So here it is a first order derivative and it is also first order, it is second order, these two are second order derivative. We mostly using the notation for first order with respect to x is p and dou z by dou y is q, and second order with respect to x is r, and dou squared z dou x dou y is s, and dou squared z by dou y square is equal to t. Here first topic we are going to see formation of partial differential equation. Already I told z is dependent on more than one independent variable, then we can frame a partial derivatives. Now we are going to find partial differential equation. What is the partial differential equation? Equation which contains partial derivative coefficient is called partial differential equation. So here there is three types of formation of partial differential equation. First one is eliminating arbitrary constant from given equation. Second one, elimination of arbitrary function by given equation. Now third one, any equation of the form pi of u comma v is equal to 0 where u is a function of x and y, v is a function of x and y. Now first one, formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. There is two cases. First one, if number of arbitrary constant is equal to number of independent variable, then your output of PDE is, that is partial differential equation, is of order 1, that is in the form of P and Q. Second case, if number of arbitrary constant is greater than number of independent variable, then your partial differential equation is of order 2 or more. Now we are going to see the first section, that is if number of arbitrary constant is equal to number of independent variable. Taking the example, z is equal to ax plus by Here arbitrary constant is equal to a and b, that is number of arbitrary constant is equal to 2 and number of independent variable that is equal to 2, that is x and y are independent variable. Now arbitrary constant is equal to independent variable, then you differentiate the given equation with respect to x, that is dou z by dou x, that is denoted as p. From 1 dou z by dou x is a. Similarly dou z by dou y is equal to q, that is denoted as b here from 1. Therefore substitute in the place of a is equal to p and b is equal to q in equation 1. Therefore your equation becomes z is equal to px plus qy, which is partial differential equation. Now we are going to see some more example. So first one, we considering formation of partial differential equation of the function z is equal to a plus x into b plus y. So first we have to notice that how many arbitrary constant is there and how many independent variable. In this unit we are dealing with two independent variable, one dependent variable, that z is dependent on x and y. So arbitrary constant is equal to 2, that is number of arbitrary constant a and b, and independent variable, number of independent variable is 2, that implies number of arbitrary constant is equal to number of independent variable. Therefore your output of partial differential equation should be in order 1, that is in the form of p and q. Just I am taking it is marked as equation 1 and differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, partially means you have to consider y as a constant, that is we know the notation p is equal to dou z by dou x, that is equal to a plus, so using the formula uv form, here x is a variable, y considered as a constant, because we are doing differentiation with respect to x, then it will become a is 0, differentiation of this is 0, so x is 1, so you are getting b plus y. Using the product rule I am considering this term as a constant and differentiating this, you are getting a is 0, x is 1, so your output of p is p plus y, take it as 2. Next, differentiating function 1 with respect to y partially, therefore q is equal to dou z by dou y, that is equal to, so y you doing with respect to y, so it is 1, then to a plus x. So you substituting from 2 and 3, in the place of b plus y is p and a plus x is q. So from 1 comma 2 and 3, 1 implies z is equal to, in the place of a plus x is q, in the place of b plus y is p. So it is partial differential equation. Next problem, z is equal to x square plus a square into y square plus b square. So here also we are having two independent variable and two arbitrary constants. So here arbitrary constant, number of arbitrary constant is equal to number of independent variable. Therefore your partial differential equation should be in of order 1, that is in order 1. I am marking order 1. I am marking this equation as 1 and differentiating the equation with respect to x, that is we know that p is denoted as dou z by dou x, that is differentiating with respect to x, keeping this term as a constant, y squared plus b squared is constant. Now you differentiating this, you getting 2x, that implies y square plus b square is equal to p by 2x. It marked as equation 2. Similarly, you are finding dou z by dou y, that is q is equal to dou z by dou y, that is with respect to y you are doing differentiation partially. Therefore, keeping this term as a constant and differentiating this with respect to y, that is x square plus a square into 2 times of y, that implies x square plus a square is equal to q divided by 2 times of y. It represents the equation 3 from our aim is eliminating arbitrary constant a and b from 2, 3. The 1 implies z is equal to p by 2x into q by 2y, that is 4 times of xy, z is equal to pq. Just you cross multiply the left hand side and right hand side, we are getting partial differential equation as 4xyz is equal to pq. Next one, considering the equation z is equal to ax plus by plus a into b. In this case also arbitrary constant is equal to independent variable. Now I hope you know very well how many independent constant is there and how many arbitrary constant is there. So there is a 2 independent variable x and y and 2 arbitrary constant a and b. Then you can frame partial differential equation of order 1. That means you have to derivative only 1 times. That is, I am finding p. P is nothing but your first order derivative z with respect to x, that is equal to a, marked as 2. So given my equation marked as 1, and q is equal to dou z by dou y, that is equal to b. It is marked as 2. From 1, 2 and 3, the given equation can be written as px plus qy plus p into q. So similarly you go to the next example. Few different examples. I am considering the function x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equal to z square. So again here 2 independent variable and 2 arbitrary constant, then you have to differentiate only 1 times enough, that is you are going to find partial differential equation in order of 1. So therefore arbitrary constant is equal to independent variable, then partial differential equation is in order of 1. Therefore you are differentiating this with respect to x, mark this equation as 1. So 1 differentiating with respect to x, that is 2 times of x minus a. The differentiation this with respect to x is 0, that is equal to 2z into dou z by dou x, because here we are having z squared. So you are differentiating z squared with respect to x, that should be 2z into dou z by dou x. That can be written as x minus a is equal to, the 2 are cancelled. So x minus a is equal to z, dou z by dou x can be written as p, x minus a is equal to z into p. Similarly, you can differentiate the equation 1 with respect to y. You can write, that is this term becomes 0, that is 2 times of y minus b is equal to 2 times of z into dou z by dou y. That can be written as y minus b is equal to z into q, and it marked as equation number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, the given equation can be written as z squared p squared plus z squared q squared is equal to z squared. Now cancelling z is common for left hand side and right hand side. Therefore your answer is p squared plus q square is equal to 1. So this way you are going to frame the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.